Color the images that begin with the letter X or the phonic sound X. X-ray, X-ray. X-ray does start with letter X or the phonic sound X. So we will color this X-ray. X-ray. Can you say X-ray with me? X-ray. X-ray. Nut. Nut. Does it start with X? No, it doesn't. It starts with Frame. Frame. Does it start with X? No, it doesn't. It starts with F. Xylophone. Xylophone. Does it start with X? Yes, it does. So we will color this xylophone using orange color. Using orange color. Now let's trace this X. Let's trace this X. And what is the phonic sound? X. Let's write X here. It's so easy. X.